The features available in the assembly environment work just as they do in the part environment. This allows you to add and propagate certain details at the assembly level, without the trouble of having to open and modify individual components at the part level. When you want to add a cut or hole to a single component in an assembly, it's better practice to edit the part in its own context, rather than using an assembly feature. While it's not a requirement, it's also good practice to fully define the positions of assembly components, or fix their locations, before you add assembly features. This helps prevent unexpected results if the components are moved later. In the Feature Manager tree, assembly features are listed after mates, which are considered at the top level of the assembly. Non-assembly features are of course listed within their component levels. Looking at our example assembly, note that if I need to use this base plate in other assemblies that have different features applied to it, to have such features in only the assembly environment will allow me to accomplish this without having to open the part and save multiple versions of it. When I open the component as a part file, it has none of the assembly features applied. Note that when using assembly features such as a hole, within the Property Manager, there is an option under Feature Scope. This will allow the propagation of features to the individual selected parts. I'll go ahead and leave this option unchecked for now and accept the command. And you can see when I open the part in its own window that the assembly feature has not propagated. If there is a feature that you wish to propagate to the part level, then edit the feature and select the option. Now when I open the part file, the assembly feature appears. As you can see, creating features in assemblies allows for greater flexibility in design intent without spending extra time having to modify the